Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and I've got some tips for you. So I have read recently that there's something trending in the crochet world, and the trending question is, how can I make my crochet project bigger or smaller? So I've got 3 tips to show you on how you can do that. The first one is materials. Yarn size, hook size. We'll get into that in a minute. The second one is tension. And the third one is going to be altering the pattern. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have got this adorable little flower granny square. I've actually got a couple of them because I did a tutorial on this, if you want to make it. Anyway, so I've got these adorable little squares. These squares were made with a 4mm hook and a 3-weight yarn. This is the exact same square. I have a couple of them. These are the exact same square. They were made with the exact same pattern in the exact same way by the exact same person. So the tension's all the same. The only difference is that in this one, I used a 5 or maybe a 5.5mm hook and a 4-weight yarn. So you can see the difference, right? I mean, big difference in size. Big difference. So the takeaway from that is, if you want to make your project bigger, use a bigger hook size and use a thicker, heavier weight yarn. So if you go with like a super bulky, it's going to be huge. And if you go with a lace weight, it's going to be really tiny. And if you're really into going small, check out micro crochet, where they use sewing thread. I've tried it. It's incredibly difficult, and my granny square was literally like this big, less than an inch. It was very tiny. So anyway, that is a great way to change the size of your crochet project. The next way to change the size of your crochet project is tension. So tension is how tight you pull your yarn when you make your stitches. If you're real loosey-goosey, that stitch is going to be bigger. If you pull that stitch really tight, it's going to be smaller. It shrinks it down a little bit. The last way you can change the size of your crochet pattern is simply to alter the pattern. So if you are making a garment and you really want to use a particular yarn, and you don't want to change the yarn and you don't want to change the size of the hook, then you're going to have to change the pattern. So if the pattern's written for small, medium, and large, but you need an extra large, what you're going to need to do is add stitches to that pattern. And it's a little trickier, and it really calls for a lot more experimentation. So if the size small requires the row to be, I don't know, 20 stitches, and the medium is 30 stitches, and the large is 40 stitches, then the extra large would be, ding, 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 50 stitches, right? Because you're going to be using the exact same pattern. You just need to expand it. Kind of like if you were adjusting a recipe. Does that make sense? If you wanted to make it bigger, you just have to use the exact same ratio of bigger. I think that is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope some of this makes sense. Okay, I hope that helps you, and if it does, great, give me a thumbs up, and if it doesn't, just quietly walk away and find a different YouTuber who could probably explain it better. All right, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.